For any fisting session, you need a high-quality lube. To avoid infections, always prepare a fresh batch at least 2 hours before your session, so the mixture is ready to go. XLube is the best concentrated powder lubricant on the market. Polyethylene oxide is the only ingredient. There are no toxic additives and no sugars that may cause unpleasant soreness. So let's make some. All we need is XLube, a sports water bottle and some water. To avoid any unwanted germs or impurities, it's best to use bottled mineral water, or you can boil some tap water beforehand. If you choose to boil the water, make sure to let it cool down a bit so you don't burn yourself mixing it. Fill your bottle with water up to 3/4. Then, add 2 full screw caps of XLube. With the palm of your hand, cover the neck of the bottle and shake for about 20 seconds. Shaking it with your hand avoids clogging the bottle's cap. Now, add more water up to the top. Close the bottle and mix again for 20 seconds. Let's check. Slicky, but too liquidly. It needs to sit for the powder to work its magic. Leave it horizontally for at least 20 minutes. Let's check some more. Here you go, a fresh, clear, odorless lube ready to slide. You can keep your bottle of XLube up to 2 weeks before it goes back to just water. Remember that to keep the fisting safe, each hole should have its own bottle of lube. Enjoy the dive.